Hi everyone, Jake here with Modular Greenhouses. Today we're going to be showing you our modular raised bed gardens. We'll start out by building a 4x4 bed, and then we'll be extending that out into a 4x8 and a 4x12 to show you just how easy it is to expand. Okay, and that's how you put together our 4x4 by 26 inch deep raised bed garden. Now we're going to go ahead and extend it out another 4 feet, and then it'll be a 4x8. Now we're going to go ahead and install the reinforcing brackets on our 4x8 raised bed. Okay, now we've completed our 4x8 bed, and we're going to go ahead and extend it out another 4 feet so that you can see our 4x12. Okay, we just finished building our 4x12 garden bed. It took me about 15 minutes, so it was really simple. Once you go to fill the beds, we recommend you add about 12 inches of bark or wood chips to the bottom for drainage, and then on top of that, a layer of regular soil, and then add in your the remaining space with topsoil. So each year it's going to break down a little bit, and you can add a little bit more topsoil to top it off and keep it full. Thanks for watching our video on assembling our modular raised bed gardens. We'll see you on the next one.